Hi healthy food lovers! My name is Kate and I do love delicious and healthy food. In this episode, I picked a remarkable superfruit to share with you. Dragon fruit powder is a product of efficiently dehydrated dragon fruit, also known as pitaya. Pitaya is a fruit of a cactus plant and has more benefits than I can fit in this video. Because Food 2 Liv's dragon fruit powder is freeze-dried, it retains its original vitamins and minerals and contains no other additives. Dragon fruit powder is rich in vitamin C, which helps absorb iron. It strengthens your immune system and encourages collagen production. The next best thing about this pink beauty is its antioxidant content. Dragon fruit's edible seeds provide omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Moreover, 100 grams of dragon fruit has 2.9 grams of fiber. Therefore, incorporating dragon fruit powder into your diet, you promote healthy digestion. Dragon fruit powder has a bright pink color and tastes like a mix of berries and kiwi. And my favorite quality of this fuchsia madness is how low it is in calories, so you just can't go wrong. Add this powder to your smoothies and ice cream and feel no guilt. You can also drop a scoop into your water bottle and create a DIY vitamin water. I also like to add a slice of any citrus fruit to further improve the nutritional value of my drink. Now, let's make some popsicles.